In an interview, you were introduced as a figure who's attempting to, or aiming to, rebrand Pharma. I'm interested to know, to what extent is this your mission? And also, what else can medical affairs be doing to regain the trust of HCPs and of patients, of basically anyone who's been affected by this crisis?
So I'll answer the latter part of the question first. I think transparency and having really some teeth behind, if you will, people that violate any rules around ethics and compliance. When I say teeth, meaning that there's a real consequence, right? There has to be a consequence for people that are bad actors in the pharmaceutical industry. And unfortunately today, really globally, we don't have that in place. There's a story recently of a district manager who was at a pharmaceutical company and he was involved in a kickback. He said to the doctor, I'll give you this and you write prescriptions, right? Typical kickback story. He got fired for that, but because of the laws and regulations around privacy for employees, he went to another company. Nobody knew that he was involved in that kickback. But if you have an accrediting body as the ACMA in place, and that was reported to the accrediting body, at the time of hire, you can now go to the accrediting body and say, okay, is this individual clean, or do they have anything on their record?
There'll be a record stored of that
exactly.
history.
So now that brings me back to the first part of your question about rebranding Pharma. In any other industry, real estate, banking, accounting, we have those measures in place. But in Pharma, we don't. And my question is, why don't we?
Yeah.
Why not?
So if you sort of impose this sort of accreditation, the rebrand will follow suit in many ways.
Exactly. Yeah, if you really want to get people to change, that's how you get them to change. Because if I knew that would impact my career, I'd be much less likely to do something that would be unethical.
Yeah.